Hello dear students, today we make video on class 10th NCERT board on the chapter science chapter metals and non-metals. So first we have to discuss about what is metal and non-metals. Metals are the substance which have some special property. Then which property it is? Then for example which has malleability, ductility and sonorous. That is, we all know that what is metals, for example gold, silver, copper, iron, these all are metals, and non-metals such as wood, rubber, then plastic, etc. are non-metal. Then what is different between these? Metals are the substance which can conduct heat and electricity also, and which has property like malleability. Then what is malleability? Malleability are the property by which when we stuck by any hammer on the metal, then it will convert into any sheet. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज नोन एज मैलिबिलिटी. जैसे कि हम अगर हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहे तो अगर हम किसी मेटल को हथौड़े से ठोकेंगे तो क्या होगा कि वो प्लेन शीट में कन्वर्ट होगा. उसको वो प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं मैलिबिलिटी. डक्टिलिटी क्या होता है कि if we strain apply tension on the metal, then it will convert on the thin wire. जैसे कि अगर हम मेटल पे अगर फोर्स प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करें तो उसमें से क्या निकलेंगी, एक तार जैसा सब्सटेंस निकलेगा. उस प्रॉपर्टी को बोलते हैं डक्टिलिटी, और इसी प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से मेटल से ज्वेलरी बनाना पॉसिबल है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सोनोरस. Then what is sonorous? Sonorous is the property when we stuck on any hammer or any object on the metals, then it will produce a sound. This property known as sonorous. Then we can say that the substance which show this property is known as metals, and the substance which doesn't show property is known as non-metal. But it has some exceptional case that like metal is a strong and non-metal is a soft material. But if we compare, then diamond is the strongest material in the universe, but it is non-metal. Okay, remember this. We first here comes to the first question, what is metal and what is non-metal. Just now we discuss about metal and non-metal. Then second question is physical property of metals and non-metal. Then what is physical property? That is, metal can conduct electricity and heat also, but non-metal can't conduct heat and electricity. To melt metals, it requires higher temperature, and to melt non-metal substance, it requires lower temperature. Okay, we come to next question, important definitions, malleability, ductility and sonorous. Just now we revise it. What is malleability, what is ductility and what is sonorous. Then fourth question, chemical properties of metals. Then see student, here we discuss about reaction with oxygen. What happens when metal react with oxygen? See here, when magnesium react with oxygen, then here twice MgO means magnesium oxide is formed, and magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Then what we learn, when metals and oxygen react together, then it form a basic material, that is magnesium oxide. Okay, this is its chemical property. Now second reaction is reaction with water. What happens when metal react with water element? See here, sodium and potassium react violently with water. Now students, when what happens when sodium and potassium react with water, it form violently reaction. It means that it form quick reaction and it is stronger. Okay, next, what happens when calcium react? When calcium react with water, then it is less violently. It is exactly opposite of sodium and potassium. Then next is when iron react with water, iron react with only water steam and not a liquid water. Okay, remember this. Now its example is, see here, twice sodium react with water molecule, then it forms sodium hydroxide and H2 gas. when metals react with acid. See here, when zinc react with dilute HCl, then it forms zinc chloride. Okay, here we can see reaction. Zinc react with dilute hydrochloric acid, then it will form zinc chloride plus H2 gas. Now, reactivity series. Now, students, when you prepare according to board exam, you have to learn about this series. It has a descending order of reactivity series. That is, here we can say that potassium is most reactive, sodium is second most reactive than potassium, calcium is less reactive than potassium and sodium, magnesium is fourth element, aluminium is less reactive than magnesium, calcium, sodium and potassium, zinc is less reactive than aluminium, magnesium, calcium, sodium and potassium. According to this series, most less element which is reactive, which has lesser reactivity according to reactivity series is silver and gold. Gold is less reactive element than any another element. Okay. So, dear students, if we prepare to NCERT 10th board exam, you have to prepare these all topics according to board exams. It is just not only these topics. It has a few more topics also. We can include it in next video. If you want to achieve these questions with their explanation, please keep with us and keep watching with this our video. If you like it, then please like, subscribe and share and keep with our channel. Thank you.